What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Spin Sandy from the Soul Sandy Sneaker Podcast channel. Today I'm going to be doing an extra special review on these shoes. Limited, one of the best releases of the year. I've been super excited about these even before they announced how limited they were going to be. I cannot believe that I was able to get my hands on a pair. I do think there was more than they initially announced. They announced 7,000 pairs. I do think there's more than that, especially because each pair is numbered 001 out of 7,000. That's a little sketch. And then there was some drama with some friends and family links being sent out to different people, and just the way there was there was a scam going on. It was a lot. So I made it through all that. I made it through all the bosses. I beat the game. I got the shoes. I made it through the UPS. I made it through Awake backdooring. I made it through scams. I made it through everything. Here I am. What a time. I'm very, very excited. So shout out to Awake New York for letting me grab these on the EQL raffle. Shout out to EQL. Shout out to everybody that entered for me. I really appreciate you guys. So the story about these is, for anybody that follows me on Instagram, I basically put out a plea, and then I sent it out to a bunch of people on my contact list. Please enter this raffle for me. Please, please, please enter this raffle for me. I need it. I need these shoes. And I got extremely lucky, and it happened very late that night. So on August the 17th, Sunday, August the 17th, who does a sneaker raffle on a Sunday? At 11:30 p.m., I hit on my own phone after I asked all those people. So I am so happy. I didn't have to jump through any hoops. You know, nobody held me hostage. Like, okay, give me 500 for these now since I hit on these. You know, so not that anybody in my circle would really do that, but I'm just saying, I got very extremely God giftedly lucky. I appreciate all of that. So I'm gonna stop ranting, and I'm gonna get to it. So this is a pretty standard Jordan box from the top down, where you would have the Air Jordan logo. The Awake logo is behind it. You will also find this logo featured on the tongue. But on the back side, we do have a New York style like script. It says Jordan 23, Awake, New York, Brooklyn, Manhattan, the Bronx, Queens, Staten Island. So super fire. Then obviously on the side where it would say Nike Air, it says Awake New York. Same thing on this side, Awake New York. I realized yesterday when I opened these up and I saw how big they were in my hand, I was like, dang, I should have sprung for a 9, which is the size that I got in my Grape 5s. I think I could have gotten away with that. 5s are just one of those silhouettes that are pretty big, and I think I could stand to go to a 9, 7, 9.5. These shouldn't be too big or anything like that, but I do think if I wear shorts, I need to just style appropriately to make sure I don't look like a clown. Especially since these are bright ass pink. So shout out to Awake New York. I got this fire Awake NY sticker. This one's definitely the best out of all of them. But it got a little bent up in the box. That's kind of sad. More Awake New York stickers. I don't know where I'm going to put these, but I'm going to find somewhere. I'm going to find them, though. I'm going to sign them. I don't want no problems. All right. And then we have the Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Queens, New York paper. A little wrapping paper in there. And obviously these did come wrapped up, but I have one already unwrapped. Whoo! Whoo! Unwrapped but not unlaced. I didn't go any further than holding these in my hand last night. I ain't trying to get no nothing on Nathan. So the first thing I want to say about these is that I didn't realize that this little pink indentation or like is right here, the A, to make it an actual A. I guess I just didn't realize that from pictures. I didn't quite see that. I also didn't quite see that there was like fake pink netting right here over the actual webbing, the clear webbing. I guess I just thought that the A was cut out of the leather, and I guess I just wasn't looking too good at the pictures. But these are beautiful. I'm just talking about things that I didn't notice at first. These are absolutely beautiful. I am ecstatic to have these. I cannot say that enough. First of all, let's talk about where this shoe came from. So obviously, this is a play on the Fire Red, but it's a play on both Fire Reds in the way that there is a silver tongue here and the black midsole and the red speckles. However, it is also a play on the black tongue because it does have the stitch 23 on the side, while the other pair has the stitch NY on the side. So I did take my my black tongues back to work. I did not keep them here. So I'll have to do a comparison at a later date with all three. But the red leather lining, red lining, not leather lining, here, the lace lock is the same. Air Jordan is the same here in white and red. Oh, well, this one's black, actually. There's no speckles on this one, but there is speckles on the black tongue on the wings logo. And then the red Nike Air versus black Nike Air featured on the black tongue. And then obviously that stitch 23 is coming from the black tongue. But basically they took both of the Fire Red models, mixed them together, and dyed them pink. You know, threw them in the washer with the red draws, and now you got the pink. I love this shoe. I really don't even have know how else to say it. I really do love these shoes. Throw this out of here. I really wish I had waited to wear those, or I just need to go back and get a smaller size maybe. Let's look at the right shoe. So it does come with two sets of extra laces. We have a white lace, which shout out to my dog Teray. He put his white laces in there immediately. And then we have a red lace. I'm not 100% sure what I'm feeling so far. Fire Red's got white laces in them. I think the other Fire Reds have white laces in them. So I'll probably keep it white. Keep it pink, just because keeping it the same color as the shoe. On this shoe, like I said, we have the stitched NY here, shout out New York, and then we do have that hang tag. They gave us the cheap hang tag, however, it's okay. I'm not mad at it. I also don't know if the Air Jordan 5 originally came with the hang tag. So they gave us this hang tag, and they gave us the cheap hang tag, not the original Nike hang tag that came on the 4s originally. Thick, well, it came on 3s, 4s, 5s? Yeah. Originally, which is the one with the thicker one with the rubber outline. That is the original one. This is the retro Nike hang tag, so it returned on the first set of retros. So like when the Air Jordan 4 was retro in 1999, it did return with this style hang tag. A little bit cheaper, and it usually has plastic bunging this to the shoe. So at least they gave us the chain, so I can put it on something else if I want to. I don't know how I'll be. I probably will not wear the hang tag with these, but we'll see. We'll see. Awake NY though on here. These are beautiful. I'm at a loss for words. And to go with them, I don't know if it's the same pink quite. Shout out to KO at ATATF. But we do have the ATATF socks to match. I was trying to get some Supreme socks, but I can't even get through the damn website. Both times I tried to go get the Supreme socks off the app on Thursdays, they've been sold out both times. So I can get black ones, but the white ones are just not available. So anybody who's watching this and is in New York, let me know. I'll send you some bread to go down to the Supreme store. I just need some socks, bro. I think that would be a good looking sock with these. So just anybody's willing to help me out, Coming up this week, I got my boy Connor on a mission. He's going to Japan, so I'm going to try and get those Yu-Gi-Oh! Air Max 95s, the Japan exclusives from him. So if he can do that, shout out to him. Shout out, really appreciate my dog. Oh, it's not going to stay up, is it? I'm really doing this for my sake. When I look at the video, I can't really see if this is the same pink because of the glare of the lights and stuff. So this will show me later when I do the editing. Like I said, this special edition revamps the classic Air Jordan 5 while honoring the OG fire red colorway with a modern twist. Awake NY brings its unique New York inspired design to this iconic silhouette. The sneaker features soft pink leather uppers instead of traditional white. Key elements like the black midsole, translucent outsole, red sock liner all stay the same. The lateral side netting showcases Awake NY's signature A logo, adding a distinct touch. Meanwhile, the right shoe's lateral heel switches the classic 23 embroidery for an NY, reinforcing the brand's deep connection to its hometown. Adding to the excitement, there was a second black and racer blue colorway that did release as well. It did not do as big of numbers resale wise, but who cares about that? Those were a little bit more accessible, so shout out to anybody that was able to get those if they wanted them. I know Social Status, Amamaniere, and other Whitaker Group stores had them. There was a sneakers release on that one. I missed that as well. I was not paying attention. I didn't want them, but I did. Jeremiah asked me to try for him, and I think Rich wanted me to try for him as well. So sorry guys, I did miss the sneakers release, and I was not able to get down to the Social Status in Atlanta in time that weekend to be able to enter the raffle for the black racer blue pair. These are showcasing the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 5. Obviously, this year is also the 40th anniversary of Jordan Brand in general, 1985 to 2025. But it's also 1990 to 2025. This is the 35th anniversary of the Air Jordan 5. Ironically, I guess, I don't know if it's ironic or if it's just like cool. This is not the 35th anniversary pair. The 35th anniversary pair is very similar to this, but where is red, it is pink instead. It's called I don't want to say, it might be Arctic Pink, even though these are technically bubblegum / Arctic Pink. But it's Orchid Pink. But it's Air Jordan 5. The wings are pink. This is pink. This is pink. Those are actually the 35th anniversary Jordan 5 for this year. I don't know where they got that. I don't know where the inspiration for it is, but I'm sure I will be able to bring you guys that video at a later time, and maybe we'll bring these out. Maybe we'll pull these out if I haven't worn them or something. So throw me some outfit ideas, guys. I have some things planned in my head. I'm trying to figure it out, but I would love to hear what you guys have to say. For those of you guys who don't know, I am a little bit, I wouldn't say into fashion, but I do like to get fly on occasion. So if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on the gram at SpinSanity15. I do post a fit like about once a week, but my outfits are way more inspired by sneakers than anything else. I do not care about designer brands. I do not care about anything expensive. I will thrift, vintage store, whatever to death. I don't care about any of that. My shoes tell most of my outfit stories. But if you like outfits, if you need some inspo, or if you want to just grade mine, go fuck with me on the Instagram. I really appreciate that, guys. Also, we are on our road to 4,000 subscribers. We are about 670 subscribers away. We have 4 months to do so, so that's just 150 each month. We would love for you guys to join us if you guys are not already. If you are subscribed to us, much appreciated. Hit that hype button, hit that like button, hit that comment button, share it, go put it on your story, do all of that. I'm asking, and I appreciate you in advance. So I will catch you guys out on another video. We do have more launch videos coming. We have more reviews. Shout out to Eli. He's doing his thing, doing the ringside retros. Shout out to Jeremiah. He's doing his lives. And shout out to Rich for being here when he can. I appreciate all of my dogs here on the channel. Check out our podcast, Soul Sandy Sneaker Podcast. It's all on a playlist. Fuck with us from day one. You can start on season 4, 5, whatever, But any support is appreciated. I will see you guys out later. I appreciate it. Peace.